eyes on me. So we had a new tumbler from Zivago. And I'm so excited to show you this one. Ito yung new arrival nila. Let me unbox for you. Guess what's the color? Oh my God. Girls, you will really love this. Look at it. May pa-charm pa. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Very handy. Perfect for all day coffee or water. I'm so excited with the charm. Pwede ko itong ilagay sa bag or any tumbler nyo pwede. Kinabit ko na yung charm, which is so cute, so girly nito. And double lid pala to. Open natin dyan. Tapos, if you want to drink it by the straw, dito kayo. This tumbler keeps cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours. As you know, Zivago is the best and affordable tumbler. This is stainless and spill-proof. Double wall pa ito. BPA-free and it has 1-year warranty. Meron din itong in lavender at saka yung isang color, check nyo na lang, talagang magugustuhan nyo to kasi super cute and it's so girly. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Mag-check out na kayo!